Shri Gurubhyo Namaha children. Today we are going to see how to calculate goodwill under super profit method. Before going into the formula, you need to understand what is super profit. First, let us see what is normal return. Normal return is the profit earned by the business at a certain percentage of the capital employed. So, whatever is that we are getting in return out of the capital employed, we call it as normal return. And the buyer, whoever is the buyer, the running business buyer, the buyer advantage lies in the excess of the normal return of capital employed. So the difference between this actual profit or the average profit over the normal profit is called as super profit. Okay, so now we'll see how to calculate goodwill under this super profit method. So for step 1 is you have to first find out the average profit of the firm. Okay. Then in step 2, you have to calculate what is the adjusted profit of the business, or you will find out the normal profit of the business. And to find out the normal profit, we will use the formula average capital employed into normal rate of return by 100. Okay. Next, in step 3, we will have to find out the difference between these two, that is our super profit. So super profit is equal to average profit minus normal profit. Okay. And finally, in step 4, we will calculate the goodwill of the firm. That is, we will multiply this super profit with number of years purchase. So this is how we are going to calculate goodwill using super profit method. Now we'll solve sum number 17 from the exercise. The capital of the firm of Anuj and Binu is rupees 10 lakh. The market rate of interest is 15%. Annual salary to the partners is rupees 60,000 each. The profit for the last 3 years were rupees 3 lakh and rupees 3 lakh, rupees 3 lakh 60,000 and rupees 4 lakh 20,000. Goodwill of the firm is to be valued on the basis of 2 years purchase of last 3 years average super profit. Calculate the goodwill of the firm. So we have been given the capital employed because the capital of the partners is the capital employed in the firm, and the market rate of interest is also given as 15%, and we have an adjustment given here. We need to adjust the annual salary of the partners of rupees 1,20,000. Okay, because 60,000 is the salary for each partner, so total salary to be adjusted is 1,20,000. And we have the last 3 years profit given to find out the average profit. Now, first we will find the average profit. To find out the average profit, we need to first adjust it, isn't it? So the profit or loss given in rupees, then the adjustment given in rupees in the question, then the normal. Yes. So now the first year's profit is rupees 3 lakh, and we need to adjust the salary of partners rupees 1 lakh 20,000, and the normal profit becomes 1 lakh 80,000. Now next year there is a profit of 3 lakh 60,000. We need to adjust this 1 lakh 20,000, and it is 2 lakh 40,000. Next 4 lakh 20,000 is the profit earned, and we need to adjust the salary of the partners 1 lakh 20,000 here also, and 3 lakh will be the adjusted profit or normal profit. Now total this column, we will get 7 lakh 20,000 as the total. Now find the average profit. So this total of the profits divided by number of years. So the answer is 2 lakh 40,000. Now we have found out the average profit. Now next we are going to find the normal profit. So normal profit is equal to capital employed into normal rate of return by 100. So the capital given in the question is rupees 10 lakh into normal rate of return given in the question is 15%. So 15 by 100. So you will get 1 lakh 50,000 rupees as the normal profit. Now to find out the super profit, subtract average profit, subtract normal profit from the average profit. That is rupees 2 lakh 40,000 minus rupees 1 lakh 50,000. So you'll get the answer as rupees 90,000. And the formula to find out goodwill is super profit into number of years purchased. So it is equal to super profit is rupees 90,000, and the number of years purchased given in the question is 2. So the goodwill of the firm is 1 lakh 80,000. So this is how we have to find or calculate the value of goodwill by using super profit method. Thank you, children.